Good morning, guys. As you see, the condition of Delhi is quite bad, and I'm actually shooting this video after a long time in the DSLR, and I'll try to shoot in the DSLR as far as possible. But I don't know how much I will be because of all the restrictions. But today, the date is 1st of May, and I'm starting the video today because I have a flight on um, 3rd of May exactly at 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm going to discuss all of the problems which I'm facing, whether a COVID test is necessary or not to travel nowadays, and also what are the restrictions, what you need to do, and is travel even possible, I mean even domestic travel even possible. And this video is not only going to be a vlog style video but also a very much informative video for all of you guys looking forward to travel during these times. All right, but the day is looking quite nice. Obviously I'll be missing this place and the 20th floor. From here the view is superb, and you can see the Empire State Building right over there in front of your face. I'll be missing this, to be honest, and small view of the roads because everything is covered by buildings, and as time goes on even this part will be covered by a building, and basically there will be buildings all over the place and no view. And as you see, guys, I have a lot of packing which I need to do over here, and I currently have connected the laptop to the television because I never usually used to use the television nowadays, and no one does, right? But if you do have a laptop, you can just connect it to the television using the HDMI port, and it just looks nice. I mean, YouTube in television is just looking nice, but obviously the information which they are providing, people are dying. This is 1st of May, more than 4 lakh cases. That's almost 500,000 cases in one single day. It's really sad. But and I know there are a lot of vlogs which I have not edited in my channel, and they will be coming out, no doubt about it. And whomever I have included in my vlog, don't worry guys, you will be there in the channel. And the vlog got delayed a bit for my personal reason, but this vlog is going to come out on a priority basis because I wanted to keep it informative, and I want to provide you the current scenario of what is going on right now. Okay, just wondering whether I should take the ring light or not. As you see, guys, I need to fix a lot of things over here, and there are a few things which I'll miss when I go to Shillong, which I won't be having with me, like the coffee machine over here and the electric cooker. Electric cooker is just a appliance, but this electric cooker is actually really good in making stuff and just makes your day a lot more easier. And let me just show you the condition of the kitchen right now. As you see, guys, there's like a huge amount of things which needs to be dealt with. Obviously I think I'm going to take my luxury cup and a few more things, but yeah, I'm going to miss this place, to be honest. Well, there are a few things which I'll be giving away to my friend. Not giving away this time. Last time I had given my stuff to my friends, like my guitar. Even this time I had actually given my suitcase and also one of my coat to the workers. But now I need to buy one more briefcase and two more trolleys because of my luggage, and everything needs to be fitted. And I'm wondering whether to take this the protein and the shakers and all of that and whatnot. When you always travel, you always tend to take unnecessary stuff which you don't really need, and it just basically increases your luggage. You know, when you go to some place, you always tend to bring a lot more stuff, because obviously you'll be going for shopping and all that. So I would just carry the bare minimum, maybe five jeans, I mean 5 pants total, 5 t-shirts, 1 formal dress just for an occasion, and just some of your inners. That would be 7 inners, I mean 7 underwears, and 7 क्या बोलते हैं इसको,
आ गई इंडिया की पहली सेंट वाली बनियान,
7 sandal. I'll have to stop that. Basically, the main reason why I'm going right now to Shillong is because there is literally no work right now because of the current situation, and also my CFA exams have been cancelled once again. This is the third time, guys, that my CFA exam has been cancelled. So that's the main reason why I'm going over there. And after going there, I'll be staying, I guess, in quarantine for about 6 to 7 days, and after the quarantine maybe I'll be able to move about from here and there. And there are some strict restrictions that you can't go anywhere, but the COVID test is not mandatory, and they had not mentioned anything about the COVID test even in the flight details. When I went through the flight, they said it's recommended, not required. So I don't think the COVID test is actually required. And if you have any priority, like going home for meeting your family, or going home because you have lost your job, then I don't think that they can stop you actually. And I just accidentally broke my favorite cookie jar. Look at that, all of the cookies are
okay.
That's a problem of having anything which is of glass. It tends to break really quickly if you're not careful. Start is going bad, guys. And madam is finally up. Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
And you can see the phone which she is using is my previous J2, and we need to fix her phone actually today. And I'm thinking of whether it's possible or not to fix her phone today itself, because we only have one day. Also, we need some boxes to store all of these things. So what we'll be doing is that we'll be going to the grocery store and buying a few boxes. It will just come cheap, like 2 rupees, 3 rupees, and that can be used for storing all of the items like books and non-essential items, which obviously I won't be carrying. रोहित को देखो, उसका बाल एक बार देखो. एक बार बाल दिखा के जा. क्या नया फैशन में है क्या? By the way, guys, he is the guy where we will be storing all of these stuff. I mean, he is shifting to a new flat, which I'll be showing you, don't worry. And we'll have to go to his flat. कब शिफ्ट कर रहा है तू, रोहित? नहीं, कितना बजे? अच्छा, so maybe he'll be shifting somewhere around 1 to 2 o'clock. So I'll have to go over there and we'll have to shift our stuff together. Maybe we can even go midnight. This vlog is coming on a priority basis because we need to make sure that we align all of the stuff which you need and all the information which you need to understand how to travel domestically in this times. And the main reason why I need to fix her phone is because we need to download the Aroggo Setu app, that stupid app, worthless, with just where you can just manipulate all of the option, and that will serve as a first point of entry in the airport, and that have been mentioned by the Make My Trip app, ticket providers and all. वैसे रोहित का ये लग्जरी चप्पल है क्या? ये नॉन लग्जरी चप्पल है नॉन, इसलिए लग्जरी आइटम्स खरीदना चाहिए। सुबह सुबह उठ के चप्पल टूट गया, मेरा ग्लास टूट गया, सब कुछ टूट रहा है। दिन का शुरुआत ही
लग्जरी था ना,
वो लग्जरी था, पर वो ग्लास था, ग्लास तो टूटता ही है जो भी करो।
अच्छा, लग्जरी बॉटल भी तूने लाया था ना टिकट से, वो भी
भाई ग्लास तो टूटेगा ही ना। और ये हेयर स्टाइल एक बार दिखा। So we are searching for a COVID center in Noida, but the main problem is that, as you can read by the headline over here, Noida hospital overcrowded by people coming for RT-PCR tests. So my main fear over here is that कहीं कोरोना जाके ना हो जाए। अभी तो नहीं है फ़िलहाल, पर अगर जाके हो गया तो 12 बज जाएगा पूरा, नेगेटिव का पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे और फिर फ्लाइट। एंड गाइस, इफ़ यू हैव corona and we are from Delhi, and Delhi is a red zone right now, so one of my friend got corona, and just outside his house, police they stayed and they kept a watch upon him whether he comes out of the house or not, and they had also set boundaries all over his house so that no one enters his house. Can you believe the situation is that serious? And if we get it, God knows what will happen. Till now, I think that I had corona 2 times already, but I should not get it, and I'll use all of the protection which I can. I know previously I have also I didn't wear the mask, and I also neglected it, but right now, guys, please, people are dying, young people are dying, as like every time I open the news I see that young people are dying, so I'm also getting scared. And moreover, I'm going home and my dad smokes a lot, so his lungs are totally damaged, so I'm scared about that if I go and if I catch the virus on the way and pass it to my dad, it will be a big problem. Anyways, guys, I just found out that people who are coming from Maharashtra, Bangalore and Karnataka, these people who are coming to Assam, they will need the rapid test or the corona test, which is compulsory. People who are coming from Delhi still don't need the test. I find it quite I'm quite astonished by seeing this, because I assume that people coming from Delhi will need the test. But in Assam we will be given entry, but I don't know whether we'll be given entry in Shillong or not. And I also heard that in Delhi airport they are actually requesting us to come way earlier, and I think there would be one rapid antigen test conducted over there itself. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'll keep you informed about the scenario. Okay. Well, guys, feels quite strange of vlogging in this scenario, but yeah, we are going to share the entire thing which is happening. The center behind me, which you can see, is actually a COVID center. The rooms behind me, and anyone who is suffering from COVID, they will be shifted to that flat from our society over here. So the condition is really serious. People are dying, and I really wanted to help some people, and but the thing is, my scenario itself is so bad, and my dad is also not responding to my calls, so I'm also getting really worried about him. And seeing the news, I mean, the media is going on, and I think some of the news are also exaggerated. If someone is dying, they'll say 2, 3 people, 4 people are dying. वैसे ही तो हो रहा है ना, थोड़ा बढ़ा के भी बोल रहा है TRP बढ़ाने के लिए, समझा? News, ये news, वो news. You open the news and it's really serious out there. So right now the plan is that we are going to the Chhatrapati market, and first of all we are going to get the we are going to fix our dresses. We have a few dresses, and then fix her phone. Let's see how much does it cost. I don't know whether it will be able to we'll be able to fix the phone or not. And then we have one more job. We have to go to Vishal and buy some luggages, some suitcases, because enormous stuff that we have. Okay. And guys, you can see the heat over here in Noida. It's really hot. चल ना देखते हैं, अगर खोला रहेगा तो ठीक है. And it seems like all of the market, they are closed. Anyways guys, I'll show you what we have over here, which is, you know, making a sound. We show them. We bought 2 Decathlon, and you can see that this has broken from here, and then the same happened over here. Okay, the other one again from the same area, it had leaked. Guys, one more leak from this area, exact same area. So we are going to dump these in their faces or in the baskets. Okay, but that's what we have to do, because one bottle might break, and these are plastic bottles, not glass bottles or ceramic bottles. And from Decathlon, I at least expect some type of quality. That's why I prefer them. I also have some shoes from Decathlon. The quality is really superb, so I hope that they'll change it. Okay, I'll also tell you guys about whether they change it or not. All right, hi बोल दे.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm not good. बहुत गर्मी है.
बहुत गर्मी है. दिल्ली में करीब अभी 42 डिग्रीज अभी चल रहा है.
40 तो क्रॉस है. लाइक इतना धूप में तो देख के ही लग रहा है कि ये 40 तो.
हाँ, और मास्क पहनो तो हो गया 12 बज गया भाई.
बहुत ज़्यादा,
मतलब हालत पूरा ख़राब. हाँ, बहुत ख़राब हालत है यार, बहुत ख़राब. हाँ, सुन, तेरा घर आ गया वो देख.
Shut up.
मास्टर जी तो यहीं पर बैठते हैं. यहाँ पर एक मास्टर जी बैठते थे. पूरा बंद है, सब बंद है guys. Everything is closed, everything is shut because of the lockdown. And guys, I'm vlogging. I don't know if someone sees me, I'll be in a lot of problem. So definitely hit the like and subscribe button, because I'm taking a huge risk for you guys, okay, to give you the real time scenario, not any TRP news or any fraudulent information, the real information of what is going on exactly in Noida and Delhi. एक दुकान खोला है, सिर्फ एक ही दुकान खोला है और सब बंद है.
क्लिनिक है ना, इसी वजह से.
तू तो बहुत बोल रहा था ना मोबाइल ठीक करेगा. ख़त्म हो गया ना, बर्बाद हो गया. And guys, you can see all of these shops are closed over here. All of them are closed. So luckily just found one shop open. Guys, I'm going to try this ice cream sandwich over here. You know, when I was small, I always used to think how it used to taste, and my dad never used to give me this thing. But अभी तो मेरे पास पैसा है और मैं खुद ही खरीद सकता हूँ. कितना रोता था पता है इसके लिए.
नहीं, मेरे पापा मेरे को खुद ला के देते थे.
पर तब 30 रुपये भी बहुत वैल्यू था, अभी तो कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है. ला 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 ला.
मैं तेरा मुंह नहीं दिखा रही. नहीं.
ओह, क्या टेस्टी लग रहा है ना.
How's it?
बहुत अच्छा यार.
यहीं पे खड़े होकर कैब बुक कर लेते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है भैया. सब दुकान बंद है यहाँ पर, मतलब 3 दिन का लॉकडाउन. तो हम लोग का एक्चुअली फ़्लाइट है मंडे को, तो जा पाएंगे क्या? हाँ, मंडे तरफ का तो लॉकडाउन, फ्लाइट तो चलेगा ना. बस ट्रेन गाड़ी तो सब चल रही है. बस ट्रेन चल रहा है ना. मार्केटिंग लॉकडाउन है. अरे यहाँ पर फ्री में कोरोना टेस्ट हो सकता है क्या? कोरोना टेस्ट कहाँ पे? कोरोना टेस्ट गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में फ्री में करा रहा है ना.
मतलब सारे मॉल्स भी बंद है क्या?
ना, क्योंकि 2 लोग से ज़्यादा अलाउ नहीं करते हैं गाड़ी में.
ठीक है.
ऊबर गाड़ी में हुआ है
आज से.
Anyways guys, the funny thing is that the Uber driver यहाँ पर खड़ा रहता है ना. 1 मिनट यहाँ पर खड़ा रहता है, छाव है. The funny thing is that the Uber driver called in and told us that he won't be coming unless we pay him 300, right?
Yeah.
300. I told him नहीं चाहिए भैया, छोड़ दीजिए. And we have cancelled And if anyone, any Uber driver tries to charge anything extra during the lockdown, just don't do anything. They'll only cancel and ultimately they'll say अच्छा आ रहे हैं हम लोग और हम लोग आके आप लोगों को पिकअप करेंगे, because how many trips will they cancel, right? वीडियो ले ले रहा, हाय बोल दे।
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily.
And the Vishal Megamart is closed, which you can see, but there's a sweet shop which is open. चल कुछ मिठाई खाते हैं
यार, अभी कुछ खाने का मन नहीं लग रहा है मुझे।
कोई बात नहीं, चल।
Do I, baby, why do I love the way you are? We always leave me.
Okay guys, we are in sector 76 of Noida, and we just found out that everything is closed. Just one shop, as I have showed you, is open. I think the other Vishal Megamart are also open, so all of our work is pending. Nothing can be done at this scenario, and it's such a bad time, you know, to be stuck. We have so much of work before we leave for Shillong. Now currently we have booked an Uber and we need some groceries, so we are going into the Advent IT Park, which I hope it's open. That is the only hope, right? We only have one hope, that is the Advent IT Park. Otherwise the situation is really scary, guys. The ambulance is going from here and there and everywhere. And how many ambulances have we seen, by the way? 4-5 ambulance. One more ambulance over there I can see waiting, and the way the ambulance are going, the rush they are in, you know, you can understand how urgent their situation is. Anyways guys, I'm looking really odd holding this camera and everyone is staring at me, and I hope that you appreciate this, giving you the live feed of the current status in Noida and in Delhi. So definitely like and subscribe to the channel for more of this content. Okay, since we are responsible citizens, madam told me to take this as packing and not to have it outside, so I'm going to listen to her. Otherwise, you know me guys, I'm so hungry that I would have had this food outside. But now I'm going to play safe, and I request you guys also to play safe. Please stay at home. You don't have to wear your mask at home. That's a plus point. If you're going out, you have to wear the stupid thing, and it literally sucks the air out of you. And as you see guys, the streets are so deserted. No one is there, literally no one. It was previously showing as 6 minutes, but now it's showing 3 minutes guys, and the Uber are taking ridiculously longer time to come because of this lockdown, which you can see. Anyways guys, we are right now in the Uber, not taking any chance, just going home because everything is closed. I don't think we'll be getting our luggages. We'll have to manage something or the other, or maybe we'll have to buy those boxes in order to store it in those boxes. वो जो राशन दुकान में बॉक्स मिलता है ना, वही लास्ट रिजॉर्ट है, because we don't have any other suitcases, but we'll have to take some suitcases because we don't know for how many days we would be quarantined in Shillong, or for how many days we would be stuck in Shillong, right? It's a really stressed out scenario guys. Please be careful and stay at home. But you can see guys, the metro is also closed. I have not seen even one metro pass by, but online they were saying that the metro would be open for some hours, but it's not open guys. It's totally closed, so it's better not to go out.
In your words, tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away.
The shops inside the apartment is closed guys, but overall I'll miss this entire view, which you can see, especially these massive buildings and the gardening and everything. The society was really nice. क्या बोलता है, गुड़गांव में जो जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पर तो ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा. वहाँ पर बस एक छोटा सा घर, हाँ वहाँ पर कितना कुछ मिल रहा है. Anyways guys, I think that I'm going to end this vlog right over here. I'll be continuing the vlog tomorrow again, which would be the journey day, and we will be uploading that ASAP. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like and subscribe. And if you have any confusion regarding the lockdown scenario, or if you're traveling, then definitely you can write down your comments or follow me on Instagram and ask me over there. Okay, so take care, be happy, and until then, you're fine.